Ever found yourself scratching your head over plumbing issues during construction? We've got your back with some essential tips and hacks to make plumbing a breeze. Here at MechMinshub, where knowledge and mechanics combine. Stay with us until the end because each tip is like a super useful trick to make plumbing easy in your building project. Number 1. Determine your plumbing needs. Before you reach out to a plumbing professional, take a moment to think about what your family needs in different parts of your home. While a local plumber can give you helpful suggestions, what you prefer is really important. For the bathroom, make sure each one has at least a sink, toilet, and either a shower or bath. Think about how you want things arranged, like maybe having 2 sinks in the main bathroom. Plan where these fixtures will go, including the walls where water pipes and drains will be. In the kitchen, figure out where you want things like dishwashers, sinks, water purifiers, and pot fillers. Plan where the hot and cold water supply lines will be and how the sewage drain pipe will connect. Kitchens are more flexible, so you can have more freedom in deciding where things go. When it comes to the laundry room, consider what you need there, like boilers, dryers, and utility lines. Think about how drainage will work, where to connect the washing machine, and if you need floor drains. Taking the time to plan these layouts before talking to a plumber will make the whole process smoother and more organized. Number 2. Get a permit and educate yourself. Before starting into any plumbing tasks, be sure you've got the necessary permits in hand. While some plumbers might sort this out, it's smart to double-check. Think of permits as a safety green light, ensuring your construction ticks all the boxes. They might also mean occasional checks during different project stages. So, getting permits is a definite must to keep things safe and according to the rules. Now, about educating yourself. You don't have to become a plumbing whiz overnight, but having a basic grasp of plumbing concepts is handy. Get familiar with plumbing terms, tools, and techniques. Online resources offer user-friendly guides that can help you chat effectively with plumbing professionals. It's like giving yourself a little plumbing toolkit for better communication. Number 3. Evaluate your budget and prioritize. Think about how much you want to spend on plumbing. Plumbing can cost more or less depending on how complicated it is and what fixtures you choose. Figure out what plumbing stuff is most important for you, like having a good bathroom setup. Spend money on the really important things first, so your plumbing works well where it matters most. Planning your spending smartly helps you make good choices, avoids money surprises, and makes building your place easier. Number 4. Centralize plumbing and place water heater and furnace strategically. Make life simpler for your plumbing and keep everything in one spot, whether it's in the basement or on the main floor. This helps licensed plumbers quickly find and fix issues. Plan to group water-related stuff together, like the water heater, water softener, furnace, sump pit, sewage ejector pit, main water shutoff valve, and sewer connection. Now, for your water heater and furnace, pick a spot that's tucked away but has enough space and airflow. If you don't have a basement, think about having them on the main floor in a ventilated utility closet. And here's a smart move. Put a drain pan under the water heater that's connected to the sewer. It's like a safety net, stopping any water mishaps in their tracks. Number 5. Accessible water shutoff valve and plan for a water softener. Keep things handy by making sure that main water shutoff valve is easy to get to. If you've got a basement, put it close to or right next to the water heater. On the main floor, make sure it's within reach and not stuck behind things, steering clear of tricky spots. Even if you're not thinking of adding a water softener right away, set up the plumbing for one. It boosts your property's value and gives you wiggle room for future upgrades, or if you decide to sell down the line, it's like future-proofing your plumbing. Number 6. Consider shared wet walls and sump pump drainage. Don't stick to giving each room its own plumbing wall. Think about sharing. 2 bodies like a kitchen and a bathroom can team up and share a wet wall. It's a time saver, money saver, and makes construction a breeze. Now, let's talk sump pump details. When it comes to drainage, be extra careful. Make sure the water it pumps out doesn't head towards your home's foundation. That way, you're steering clear of potential water damage down the road. Good drainage is like a superhero for keeping your foundation dry and secure. Number 7. Incorporate energy-efficient plumbing systems. When you're sorting out your new plumbing, think green. Consider using energy-efficient stuff like high-efficiency water heaters, low-flow gadgets, and eco-friendly appliances. Not only does it help the environment, but it can also save you some bucks on your water and energy bills in the long run. Take tankless water heaters. For instance, they only heat water when you need it, using less energy compared to the regular tank-style ones. And those low-flow toilets and faucets, they save water without giving up on performance. Number 8. Explore smart plumbing technologies. Smart home gadgets are the way to go. Imagine having smart water systems that catch leaks, keep tabs on how much water you're using, and ping you with real-time alerts on your phone. Then, there are smart controls for your shower and faucets. They let you tweak the temperature just the way you like it, making your home comfy and saving water too. It's like giving your place a tech-savvy upgrade while also helping out with water conservation and spotting plumbing problems early. Smart move, right? Number 9. Optimize ventilation for plumbing spaces. Make sure spots with plumbing stuff like utility closets or basements get enough air. Good ventilation stops moisture from piling up, lowering the chance of mold and making sure your plumbing lasts. Think about adding fans or ventilation systems in places where it gets pretty humid. It helps air move around, steering clear of problems that come with damp spots. So, it's like giving your plumbing a breath of fresh air. Good for its health. Number 10. Emergency planning and backup systems. Set up a backup plan with things like a spare sump pump in case the main one taps out during heavy rain or flooding. Think about having a backup power source, like a generator, so your plumbing keeps working even if the electricity takes a break. And here's a smart move. Emergency shut-off valves for things like toilets and sinks. They're like superheroes that can quickly stop potential leaks in their tracks. Have a chat with your plumber about these safety measures, and you'll have plumbing that's tough enough for any surprise. Number 11. Water filtration and purification. Level up your water quality game by bringing in water filters and purifiers. Even though the city treats your water, adding extra filtration right where you use it can make it taste better and get rid of any extra bits. Think about stuff like under-sink filters or whole-house purification systems. Pick what suits your taste and water. Number 12. Future-proofing your plumbing. Stay one step ahead by thinking about what's coming next when you plan your plumbing. Make room for future upgrades and cool tech stuff by adding spaces or pathways in your plumbing setup. This could be for things like super smart home systems or the latest plumbing gadgets. Future-proofing is like giving your home a superhero cape, making sure it can keep up with all the new trends and cool things happening in plumbing and home gear. Now, we want to hear from you. What's your take on these plumbing tips? Any hacks you'd like to share? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more useful content. Thank you for watching. See you next time.